Hello guys, how are you today? I hope all is well with you and with your family. So for today's video guys, ayan dahil salary day today, syempre inagahan natin pumasok. Joke lang, syempre maaga talaga ako pumapasok guys kasi halos lahat ng empleyado dito may sasakyan. Kaya pag late ka, wala ka ng paparkingan. So our company guys is one of the leading retail company here in Saudi Arabia. Ayan, nag-promote muna tayo guys. Baka taasan yung sahod natin. Joke lang. So malapit lang talaga yung railway station dito guys. Ayan, at dahil sahod nga ngayon guys, ayan nakapaglapas batchoy kami ngayon. So every sahod, ayan bumibili kami ng Pinoy food. Ayan, nakapag-order kami guys. Ayan yung mga kasamahan ko dito sa work place namin, dito sa department namin guys. Ayan, simple lang. Basta maayos yung samahan guys. Ayan, kahit simple lang yung pagkain, sumasarap siya pag may cashier. At syempre baka naman lapas batchoy. Joke lang. So ito nga yung kainan namin guys. May coffee shop na rin siya. And halos lahat ng empleyado guys dito talaga kumakain. Kaya ayan. At naabutan ko dito guys, may free food. Nakipila tayo pero hindi pala tayo kasama. Nawamali tayo guys. Ayan. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye everyone.